guys, it's July 4th here, 2025, United States of America. So as you can see, we're in the car and we're going for a hike. How much? It's like an hour distance from here to Clinton, Iowa. Clinton, as they say, to Eagles Point Park. But because it's gonna be in the 94 degrees today, original plan is only me and Kenny. But these dogs, that one panting so hard down there, and this golden retriever poodle, golden doodle, so it's a golden retriever and poodle. They know when. So the funny thing is, when we are working every day, they know. Like, I don't know, maybe with their sense or the way how we wear our clothes. But in the weekend, when we wear shorts and put our tennis shoes on, our water bottle and a hat, they think they're going to. And they sure do. Look at those. They're very insisting. Patiently waiting. They're not really patiently waiting in the door, but aggressively. I don't know how this hiking gonna work. It's so hot outside. Perry doesn't do well in hot temperature because he have a little snout. And this big guy here in a blue shirt will carry him. Because when Perry is tired when we do hike, he will like walk fast near our side so that we can see him, and that's his signal that he wants to be carried.
Well, he'll also go on my legs and scratch at them.
Yeah, like he's trying to stop us from walking so that we will pick him up, and we try to ignore so that he will lose weight. He's out of shape. And he will like move fast in front of us and he will sat there. So yeah, that's the story of Perry. Perry is a Shih Tzu and a poodle. So they have a common with friends, a poodle, but he is tiny little baby. So yeah, anyway guys, we're heading now to Clinton, Iowa. Clinton. It's so hard.
Got that
Clinton.
down, huh?
It's really hard. It's like, I like Clinton, but
You can say Clinton.
yeah.
It's fine.
But then Americans will say Clinton.
No, Clinton is perfectly fine to say.
Say it in American way.
Clinton.
Clinton. Ah, no, it doesn't. You have to silent T. Do it.
Clinton.
Clinton. Clinton. Whatever. That's it. So hard English diet, guys. Oh, it's not updated earlier. It was still yellow, but then it was from last night.
That's right. Isn't that neat?
So last night, guys, it's a red, white, and boom. It's a big fireworks, and Perry and Prince were so terrified. And even when we went to sleep, he slept like in our head area. Like he shared the pillow with us and making sure his face is near to our face. And then it took them a while, like 30 minutes to settle until the fireworks started to slow down. And they had a terrible night last night.
In 1 mile, take the Interstate 74 West, US 6 West Ramp on the right toward Davenport.
So usually the July 4th fireworks is celebrated like the eve. It's basically, if I describe it, it's like a New Year's Eve in the Philippines. That's where fireworks But here, that's their big thing. It's the Independence Day. And we went to, my friends went to Ate Ann's house. Oh, look at that, Javi. He's still in a boat.
Amazing.
Jeez.
This guy's trying to be noisy on purpose.
Javi, what the heck? Now he's catching up.
Mediterranean restaurant we were thinking about going to is near the vet.
Oh, really?
Now turn left. Now your destination is on the left.
We're charging, guys.
Look at that. This is a really nice one because it's in the shade.
Oh. Time to charge. Aray ko, Perry, you're not going anywhere. Started doing. The train, guys. Cargo train. We're now in Comanche, Iowa. 19 miles our destination. It's now hitting 90 degrees. I don't know how Perry will do. Right now we have the air blowing underneath. We have to compromise. He really wants to go with us, so it is what it is. Here we go, guys. Railroad crossing. We got a train.
And we have Mrs. Cook in front of us.
Mrs. Cook, yep.
Hi, Mrs. Cook. How are you? My name is Ken. Wish I had it on my license plate, but it's already taken.
Hi, Perry. Do you want to see the train? Come up here. Come. Come here. You want to see it? Go check it. Go sniff outside. See? Come. You can do it. Go. There. There, and look outside. There. Good job. What's it? Is it a train? What's going on with the train? Oh, you want to look at their prints too? Wow! Finally! And that's it? You're done right away?
It's hot out there, huh, Prince?
Hey guys, we rerouted because it seems like the train is nowhere to end yet.
Yeah, there
So
it is
it's
right
still
there.
stopping there. And like no plan. So we've been waiting there for 10 minutes. Kind of. And see it's still, so we're passing above. So they're underneath. And see there's full stop at the moment. Oh, it's reaching to that factory. That's
Yeah,
why.
I figured it stopped at a factory.
Yeah.
It's unloading.
Uh-huh.
That's what I was looking at the map.
And it'll takes forever.
Can, yeah.
So yeah, everyone is backing
In
out and
1,000
looking
feet,
for
turn left onto
different
Lincoln
route
Way.
like we do. And now we're free.
There's Cakers.
Oh, I like the color.
See Cakers 5? Hi, Cakers
Okay.
5. My name is Ken. I get that on my license plate, but it's not available.
I love my
Look
chocolate.
at the little dog. Put your little dog up there.
Come here, Furry. I know it's already gone. Yeah. It's late. You can see your buddy out there. Arby's, Arby's, Arby's.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto South 30th Street.
Perfect. Perfect timing. Come on, Cakers 5. Hit that accelerator.
Hey
If we
guys,
don't see anything by that stoplight, I'll go straight.
4 minutes to our destination, but beforehand we will look for a restroom break for Mikey.
Micah always loves to have the tour of the bathrooms.
Oh yeah.
1,000 feet, turn left onto North 3rd Street.
So it's an Independence
I see a
Day, guys.
66.
I didn't see a parade because usually the parade is in downtown.
You want to go in there? It's so busy.
Okay, over here.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Pershing Boulevard.
Here, quick start, quick trip, favorite place. Aray ko, Perry, you scratch. Ah! Oh my gosh. Ow. Hey guys, we just stopped by here in Quick Start for a restroom break, and then we got vitamin water. I got pineapple passion fruit. Kenny got dragon fruit.
Now turn
Heading to the park in 4 minutes. Seems like this is like residential area. Yeah, we went to a park here a month ago, just by the river drive area.
I like mine better.
Oh,
Well,
of course you do.
there's nothing wrong with that.
Uh-huh. Oh, I love this guy.
There's the pants I need to pick up for myself.
Yep. It's summer season, guys. All green and hot. We're in the 90s. 92 at the moment. So hot this year compared to previous years. Very loud down there because of the cool air. Ice cream and bakery. Big.
No horses allowed in here.
No horses.
Stopping. Okay, so I think I want to go.
I saw the eagle. It's a big eagle.
Right here.
Look at that. Gee. Hope to see eagles here.
This is.
There's a dog park. Oh, Perry, this is your place. Look at that. Oh gosh, that's so big.
That is a weird looking
Oh, nice. Look at your park, Perry. It's a park of dogs. You can go swimming, Abby. We will stop there. Oh gosh, so Perry will cool down.
dog. He's not going to go in there.
He will.
One way begins.
Oh, and we're in a higher point. We're just touring around Yeah, I haven't seen any cars yet. Oh, there it is.
That guy took the only good spot.
You can turn more.
Should we park in there?
No, keep going. There's also another shade there.
There might not be any parking up here though.
Oh, look at that, Harvey.
So I said there might not be any parking here.
There it is.
Oh, right here. Let's see, park here.
Look at that. Overlooking. Hey guys, so we just got here. And we're gonna have my babies out. We'll have Prince out first. Guys, this is the Eagles Point, Clinton, Iowa, and that's the Mississippi River. It's super cool. And we're here inside a big brick. It's so nice. Look at how big this is.
He doesn't like it.
Very chill, baby, chill. Oh wow, there's more upstairs. It is. Wow. Very chill. Don't trip your dad. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Sheesh. Yay. Oh la la. Here it is. Huh? Done with the very top part. This is cooler here, Perry. You should like it here. Careful. It is. With no handrails, how about that?
Yeah. Surprised that everyone survived. There.
Woo! We made it!
You happy now, Prince?
You love later Perry in the dog's park. Now where are we going?
Where do you want to go?
Trail.
Is there a trail?
There should be a trail down, going down.
Yeah, but
Maybe
I don't know if there is around here. Maybe it's over there
yeah,
where we were.
We should go.
Well, we can't drive backwards. It's one way.
Yeah, we will walk. It's part of the hike.
Oh, you want to walk down there?
So beautiful. There's the trail, bluff area. Okay, this will be nice and cooler. I'll release Perry. It's very little. Come here, Perry. Perry. You're free. Go run. It's a nice trail. Cooler. This is like the Wildcat Dance Park. Like a bluff area. Way better for you, Perry, huh? Why you're sitting down now? Yep. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, the Fil-am Life. Come here, Perry. Hi. Perry. Ooh, wow. Perry. Where are we? Huh? Oh my gosh. I think some water, but there's a railroad down. Oh, there's a... Where are you going? Oh, okay. It's very steep there. Oh, I see. Go, Perry. You can do that. Skull Barn Nature Center. Now you're sitting. Come on, Perry. Burn that calories out. Go, Perry, go. You can do that. Come here. Yeah, come here. Good job. Alright, you guys, so basically it's a bluff. Really nice trail, nice underneath the woods. It's cooler. I'm gonna carry Perry soon. It's too hot for him. He's still able to manage, so. Very nice trail. Isn't it? Nice here. Prince, come back. Good boy. You have to keep your dog's leash all the times, which we did, and since no one is around at the moment, so we set them free. Especially Prince is a big dog. And when we see someone, we have to leash. Prince, come here. Prince. Good boy. Come here, Barry. Good job. Okay. Oh, I love that.
Well, we don't know how long it is.
Okay. I see. Barry. Hey. Psst. Barry. Barry. Come here. Barry. Huh? There's no other trail going there.
Yeah, we can keep going, but it's just, we just need to go back. It's hard on him.
Oh.
For this area, yeah,
Oh, okay.
could be.
Oh, I see what you mean.
95 degree wind, so we can't take that.
I see. family time.
Huh?
It's a good family time. They're happy. We get to ride and hike.
Yeah, Prince is fine.
Go to Kuya. Oh, there. Go. So dry here. It used to be hot water. There's a lot of mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Good job, Prince. You come back on your own. Wow, you're such a good lead. Ouch. Oh, come here, Prince. Prince, come here. Come. Hey, guys. We're back to the road. We will come back at some time that we can go further with Kenny without dogs. Furry. You really want to go to the car? It's not yours. Come here. Furry, come here. Come back. Come here. Come here. Good job. Good boy. Look at that tongue. Oh, come here. Come with the leash. Come here. Good boy. Such a good boy. You don't know what your car is? Huh?
I just saw your car.
Looking down there. Holy moly. 90 degrees, 94. Poor Perry. Prince though. Prince did fine. Little dog is cannot tolerate. It's just a quick family time. They really love a ride. Oh yeah, is that an eagle? Pelicans. There's a car.
Hold on, you're not going in there. You can let Perry in there. I just need to get this.
Got my boys cooling down. There's very cold air. That colorful mulch. It's a good trail over there. Yeah, we will come back and explore this place next time, guys. Probably in the fall. Oh, look at that, Javi.
We can go in the summer, hon. It's just that.
Just us.
Yeah.
Look at that. Driving around.
Now what's this building?
It's like a lodge, Eagles Point Park Lodge. Yeah, so
Much
it's
nicer than
the flow.
worry about some jackass flying at you.
Yeah, and you can enjoy the area. Good park management. It's a big one. There's another trail here.
See where the beginning is.
A what?
See where the beginning of the trail is. So there it is.
Over there.
Cool.
Yeah. That's the start of the trail.
And let's go right by the water.
Water. Oh, it's a road trip.
Yeah.
Park trip.
The telescopes.
Oh.
Wanna go look?
Next time.
I'm sure this park is really busy.
Yeah, it's just the temperature at the moment, and there's so many stuff going on because of the July 4th stuff here. There's also a disc golf hobby.
Is there?
Yeah, see? We can bring the disc golf. Oh, it's closer to the cemetery. Once we're here.
There's another trailhead.
Yeah, park closed at dusk.
Go to that charging area.
Okay.
Have some water. I mean, the car doesn't really need to charge. So I don't think it'll charge it. We'll just stop there and go inside.
Yeah. Probably Dogs Park.
Here's your eagle. Now, where I am.
That's our short getaway, guys, in the park. Oh, no wonder why you said why they stopped it. You have to stop.
Oh. It's just the other way.
Now turn left onto North Third Street.
Bridge is
Now
closed,
turn right
guys,
onto 19th Avenue North.
to Fulton.
Go through the neighborhood.
Now turn right onto 18th Avenue
You're looking
North.
better, Perry. It's no longer curled up though. It's still chilling. Oh,
See, this is
it's a one-way
nice
state.
easy road. Nobody's on it.
Yeah.
Left onto North 2nd Street.
Man, that guy's had enough donuts. Get out of there.
Where? Oh.
What's going on down there? So, we're gonna take a right up there. See, there's a cop car. They have
Oh.
it blocked off or something.
We took your mom and dad supposedly in a car show over there. See?
Oh, yeah.
And then it was like, what, raining or something? Probably it's busy.
In 500 feet, turn left onto South 4th Street.
Yeah, that could be a really nice building. Like really nice.
Yep. I agree.
You got enough places like
Where?
there.
Oh yeah. Guys, we're heading to Fulton. Because the other bridge is closed. And we can take the Illinois side, right? Going home. Yeah. Look at that old bridge there.
For trains, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it's like in downtown Rock Island. See the other bridge? That's where we hiked last time down up there.
Boy, that's really a long bridge.
It is.
Jesus.
Upper Mississippi River. Ooh, welcome to Illinois.
In 1,000 feet, turn right.
It's a new building there.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Lincoln Road.
Oh, we're making a big circle to
Now turn
Fulton.
right onto Lincoln Road.
Wow, the corner is so tall. Hey guys, so this is interesting because the whole thing it's like a former gas station, but now it's all electric. Kenny is trying to charge and test it out. Last time he said it was free. See, it's not a gas, but it's electric. Isn't it cool? Now we can see it here. It's not
Working
charging.
now?
It is not working. Earlier, there's so many notices
You want to go in?
in the store. Okay.
Yeah. You should go see it.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a little different.
This is a new.
This used to be a Casey's.
Oh, I see.
How the
Oh yeah, the layout.
style Casey's.
Yeah, look at guys. Instead of gas, it's electric. Way different than Tesla. Wow, it's a nice concept actually. This is here in Fulton. Steamers stop for your convenience. Hey guys, can you have some smoke? almond. Blue almond. And mine I got chicken sticks. Perry and Prince will get at the end. Got viewer in the back. Audience. Hey guys, we're done charging. Got a sit belt. We're going home. Very. Fulton, Illinois. We're heading home. 57 minutes. Hey guys, it's my turn to bring them home because Kenny has been driving earlier, so it's a two-way. Look at Perry is in the middle and Prince. Alright.